Good morning guys! Welcome to Oxalis Vlog. Please like, subscribe, and comment below. Time check is 4:51 in the morning. This time guys, starting point Capital Run while waiting to start. Me, family, friend, and other participants having victory fan run just for fun and I love. Starting time 5 o'clock in the morning. So while waiting for others to come and participate, let's see guys. So this time, enjoy for exercise. So this time, warm up and get ready for the Fun Run 2025. After this, we start Fun Run. 5 in the morning, we're excited and get ready. This is it guys. Oh yes! Let's see if I survive, me and my sister. So guys, we walk and run just for fun and exercise. And we decided for 3K. After a few moments guys. So this time we get our ribbon for 3K. Yes! We get it. So guys, 3K is from Capital Run going to Sumpong. So we are very much enjoy and excited to get our medal.
Ayahay naman paulit nang ipadidit naman siya yung basaks.
So as a beginner, this is our challenge as a, and also my sister guys. So this time guys, we are now here at Capitol to finish our victory fan run. Yes, we got our medal.
Dagan! Dong! Dagan!
So this time guys, we almost get finished for our Victory Fan Run 2025 here in Malaybalay City, Bukidnon. picture. So we all guys get the medal for 2K, 5K, and 10K. Bye bye guys. Thanks for watching. Yes, we survived. Please like, subscribe, comment, and get notified below.